What is going on? We're here with break number one, the random. See how everybody gets. Same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. 10:57 a.m. Central Time. Pop over here. Here's the owner list. No snake eyes. 10 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tim on top. BK on bottom. There's that list. We went 10. Come over here. Let's do it. 10. Team list. Let's go for 25. 25 teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Money shot. Oakland for 10. BK gets Doyers. We got Tim, Oakland, Joe, Cleveland, Parsons, Phillies, Fitting, Allen, Atlanta, Chris, Washington, Will, Seattle, Terry, Milwaukee, Kathy, Mets, Tyler, Cubs, Stoner, Tampa Bay, Cam, Arizona, Detroit, Terry, Yankees, Tim, Minnesota, Ross, Baltimore, Miami, Zach, White Sox, Parsons, Houston, Allen, Boston, John, Pittsburgh, Texas, Peter, Colorado, Paul, Toronto, Yang, San Diego, Angels, San Francisco, Rick, St. Louis, Cincinnati, BK, Doyers. Take it done. We're doing this 10 Eastern tonight. Good luck, everybody. Looking forward to it. Thanks for the fill. 10:59.